Hello everyone, Namaste from Tarot Tales 369. Welcome back to the channel. Those who are new and tuning in, thank you for watching. And this is a general timeless reading, so take what resonates and leave the rest. But if you are interested in one on one personal readings, you can always contact me for further inquiries. Meanwhile, if you have any query for this reading, you can always comment down and also give your suggestions. Today we are starting a new series for your everyday collective energy. So we are going to pull out three cards, one card each for your career, love, and money aspects. And towards the end of this reading, we'll take one advice card from our ancestors and angels. So let's check out what's there for your career, love, and money today. So let's see. The cards are here. Okay. The king is here. Okay. Again, the king. Okay. The king. Okay. The king and queens are leading today, your energy. So many of you are, growing on your every front, like your career, your love, and your money. So this is showing your financial stability, financial security, your success in material world, your leadership qualities, and your long term resourcefulness. All is very stable with this earth energy. Your career is in full bloom. See, you have worked hard for this day and built something solid, you know. And now is the time to reap your rewards for whatever you have worked so hard, tirelessly. And you are stepping into leadership role very soon, where you will be given, that mentorship responsibilities, and you will be respected and recognized by all, your peers and your seniors, in fact. This success looks very stable and grounded and shows long term growth for you. Either you are already in that zone at your workplace, or many of you are getting, potential opportunities in job, business. I'm seeing real estate, finance field, and management profiles. So lead with confidence and stay grounded in your career. And now with this, in terms of your love, so your love life looking very promising. And if you are single, then you are magnetic currently. Someone new is entering your life, and they are very confident and intense, in their approach. So you need to be a little careful here. You need to stay balanced, because the energy is looking very fiery, and quick movements are expected. Look at that dress the king is wearing. See, very passionate, the red color. And if this person is you, so you are approaching someone, if then you need to be, bold in your communication and clear in your intentions about what you want out of this connection, because the person you're approaching has high standards, so you should be a little vigilant there. And if you're already in a relationship, then this is moving a step forward with, better chemistry and ambitions. But you and the significant other has to respect each other's independence, and encourage each other's goals, because it happens sometimes, we become submissive, uh, because there might arise some control issues, uh, as the king energy is very fiery and dominating here, and it could overshadow, the other person's identity, either you or the other person. So stay independent, but stay committed, and that's the key. And in terms of your money matters, so your money needs your emotional maturity, it looks like that with that Queen of Cups. You should take emotionally wise financial decisions at the time, at least. Either it could be you're running after making money, and those material gains so much that it is costing your mental health and inner peace. It also looks like you're overspending here, out of generosity or doing charity. Then you need to manage that mindfully. Maybe you are funding someone, in any good cause. It could be that out of emotions, but don't overdo there. That you need to control. Also, if you are seeking financial aid at the moment, then so many supportive hands are reaching out to you. So be thankful for that. Other thing is, if you are into some creative business or maybe healing profession or any type of counseling profession, I am feeling, so you're not charging enough for the work you're doing. So don't let your emotions dominate in your finances. Stay financially practical and grounded whatever work you are doing, even for a good cause. So balance your head and heart wisely. Yeah, that's pretty much it for the collective today. Kings and queens, all everything's looking good. The career, the love, and the money. Let's now move to ancestors' advice. We'll pull out one card and see what more advice is there for the collective today. Space guides and angels, please give me one card. What is the ancestral angels advice for the collective today? Please give me one more card. Please give what are the message you want to give to the collective? A card of advice you want to give to the collective today. Please, one card for the collective. A card of advice for the collective, please. One final advice for the. Okay, we have got the card. The drum is here. Okay, so collective, the final message for you all is dream and journey. So let's see what's the full message for you all. So, it says you are very connected to the other worlds at this time. This wisdom and intelligence of the earth and her magic surrounds you. The drum echoes the sound of Mother Earth's heartbeat and has cleared the cobwebs and dust from your inner vision. What you have seen in your dream and inner vision is not imagination but guidance, particularly if it has been coming to you repeatedly and has the potential to become reality. Dreams come true. Know it and live it. So, such a beautiful message for the collective from the angels and your guides and your ancestors. So, that's it for this video, guys. If you resonate, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and press that bell icon for further notification. Thank you for watching it, and namaste.